Okay, so the question is in general about the extra credit in this class. Yes, there will be extra credit in this class. It will be announced. The format of these extra credit activities will be announced a bit later, maybe on the second week or the latest during the third week. I don't want to get into the details, so the extra credit will be available. As usual, extra credit, well, as in most of the cases, in most of the classes, extra credit does not assume substitution of the main categories of the grading system, but it might be helpful when a grade is shaky, like if someone would need to round from 88, for example, which is B, to A level, so extra credit might be really handy, really helpful. But again, it's some people sometimes, unfortunately, they assume that extra credit may save for them the whole semester if they didn't work appropriately during the whole semester and failed the course. Then they ask for extra credit to get a passing grade or sometimes even better grade. So that's not gonna work, not gonna happen. So extra credit will be available. Regarding attendance points, last semester, yes. In previous semesters, I did have in our class, we used, we kind of performed class roles, so collect attendance, and I did give points for the attendance of the meetings, face-to-face meetings. It's not, we will not do that this semester because of a couple of reasons. One reason is that last semesters as well, this semester is still considered to be emergency semester, but not that much as previously. But now we are trying, all the colleges, we are trying to get gradual, to get to normal. Okay, and normal operation assumes a particular format of the class. If it's a regular class, face-to-face, then you're welcome to campus. If it's online class, it might be asynchronous, it might be synchronous. So if it's synchronous, then we collect attendance and so on and so forth. If it's asynchronous, so we kind of are not allowed to collect attendance. So I tend, and I working on developing asynchronous organization, asynchronous classes. And therefore, it's not logical, it's not even kind of not legal completely to collect attendance. So that is why, one of the reasons why this semester we're not gonna take attendance and not gonna give points for just attendance because it's not required. Another reason is that it was a big trouble, and and some people were cheating a lot actually, and complaining all the time. I did attend this meeting. You just didn't see me. Just the system didn't give me a point. The attendance collection of the attendance was mostly automatic. And I got a lot of complaints that the system did not mark a particular person as present. Sometimes, yeah, it might be the case. Any kind of software, it's nowadays it's not free from bugs and issues, but that was trouble. That's another reason. So anyway, we're not gonna take attendance this semester. No, sorry, no extra credit points for attendance. You are not required. So if you feel like you don't need it, then use your time as you consider appropriate and effective. No problems. If you attend, then you might feel like you might be rewarded and take advantage of an opportunities to ask your own questions, and that might be an advantage. If so, then please, you're welcome. You're welcome anyway. If you feel like it's not that much useful, then that's okay. Then do work on the class content or whatever else you you prefer according to your preferences.